And time to focus on business now. Business editor Mike Eppel joining us. Mike, a reason for optimism in the oil patch?
Yeah, actually, this morning, Leah, we have the price for oil above $60 a barrel for the first time since early December last year. What a recuperation that oil has seen now for, well, we're into the 8th week in a row for gains for the market. So the forecast that oil would be dropping to $30 or $20 per barrel, that has not materialized. Actually, since those calls were made by some well-known analysts, price for oil has gone up. Main reason, according to, you look at the market fundamentals, well, last week we saw the first retreat for oil supply in the U.S. in Cushing, Oklahoma, key supply hub for the first time in months. Tomorrow we'll get another update on U.S. inventories, and again, that supply-demand imbalance appears to be getting a little bit closer to balance point. So the price for oil up 3% this morning. It is at almost $61 a barrel. It is a significant move to the upside. We'll see if, in fact, this is the start of a long-term trend. Trying to make predictions about any of this, good luck, but nevertheless, in the short term at least, we are seeing a recuperation in the price for oil. Now, the falling price for jet fuel, that had a significant impact in the bottom line results for WestJet Airlines. And with first quarter earnings this morning at a record-breaking $140 million profit. Revenue up 4%, more seats available going forward. They have increased capacity. Percentage of the seats fell, not quite as strong, but their cost per mile per passenger has dropped dramatically because it just doesn't cost as much as it did to fill up those gas tanks on the planes. Disney reporting earnings this morning. And even though they didn't really have any blockbuster movies in the first quarter of this year, the results for Disney way above forecast. They are still reaping the benefits from merchandise sales from the movie Frozen, of all things. Remember, Christmas was huge for Disney and Frozen merchandise. And, of course, you got the Marvel franchise of superheroes, which will be into these earnings for Disney going forward with the newest movie out, Age of Ultron, and theme parks. Revenue up, even though they raised prices not that long ago to go and visit either Disney World in California or Disneyland in California or Disney World in Florida. And, of course, the big vote today, the Alberta energy sector, it's going to be very interesting to see how all this plays out and whether or not that has any implications for any of these stocks on the market going forward. But, again, that price for oil today, very significant to the upside, Leah, gaining 3% so far.
That's exciting. Thank you so much, Mike. That's business editor Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.